Hey everyone, Jacob from MarineMax Savannah here, and behind me I've got a 2025 Yamaha 222 FSH Sport. It comes on this aluminum trailer, which is actually a bit of an upgrade. Normally it would come on a galvanized trailer, but here you can see it's the aluminum tandem axle, so it's great for distributing that weight while on the road. Most people who purchase these boats end up trailering them to various locations, so you already had a great starting point. I'll go ahead and bring you to the back and we can start going over that. So something I always like to point out on these Yamaha jet boats is these two brackets right here and here. Yamaha did a cool thing here where they have these seats that will plug into these so you can sit halfway in the water, halfway out, so on those hot days you can cool off. This almost becomes like a table setting. You've got your cup holders right here and here. You've got a bracket that allows you to install this little table that sits right there. You got this deployable swim ladder right here, so all in all, really nice setup on Yamaha. You've obviously got the jets down here. So obviously in lieu of a propeller, you've got that jet output, which is a really nice feature as well. And I'll go ahead and bring you on the boat. So starting up here in the bow, on this boat, you've got this nice big anchor locker right here. You've got these two backwards facing speakers. You've got plenty of seating up here, cup holders all throughout. You've got padding along the sides, so all in all, very comfortable seating arrangement. You've got more storage right down here, right there. They've got a 5-gallon bucket down there, and all in all, just a good spot to store extra items. In these, you've got a trash can on this side, more storage right along here. And then I noticed on this one, they actually put a trash can on both sides, which is super convenient. Another thing people really like about these center console Yamahas is if I pull this guy up right here, you've essentially got a changing station in here, and all you've got to do is unzip this right here. You can go ahead and get in there. I don't know if you're able to see in there, but got plenty of space to get in there, and if you want to change in there, maybe you want to store some extra equipment in there, whatever works best for you and your needs. Okay, and when I'm done, all I got to do is close it just like this. Right there, just like that. Another thing I want to point out here is you can see how tall these gunnels are. I mean, that nearly goes up to my hip. Maybe you've got kids on the boat, or you've got family members or friends that you're concerned about potentially falling off. Yamaha did an excellent job of bringing those gunnels super high, so you don't have to worry about falling off the boat. You've also got this bolster along the side, so it's padded, so it's great for fishing, casting the line right there. You can stay comfortable all day with it. Obviously, you're also seeing these rod holders along the side. This is on the port and the starboard side, so you get both of that, and you've got more rod holders along the side of the helm here and on the T-top back there. Moving back here to the helm, very easy, very straightforward. Yamaha readout screen, phone holder and charger, stereo right here, all of your auxiliary switches right here, and then the Yamaha throttle right here. You do have two motors on this boat. They are both supercharged, and this is a very well-powered vessel. This seat, I just wanted to highlight this quick, can switch, so you can sit backwards, and then obviously when you're driving, you can sit forward. So really nice feature there. These seats will fold down. Maybe you want some more space for casting that line, or just getting on and off the boat, which makes that nice and easy. You've got your live well right here. This boat does have it has a freshwater washdown right there. Nice and convenient. And then one last thing I want to show you back here on the transom, you've got these cushions that make for a really nice backrest. So if you want to sit back here and maybe socialize with the people on those plug-in chairs back here, you can do so. So Once again, my name is Jacob. I'm with MarineMax of Savannah, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.